Hey everybody, Mike, the Wicked Carver over at Wicked New Hampshire Carving. Going to teach you guys how to carve a bear today. I know that a lot of people have been asking me to do a video, so here we go. We're going to do a quick one, first video ever. Anyways, I usually start off a bear with 3 of the same cuts every time. It's the back of the head, the back, and the back of the legs. So I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to take a cut out right there for the back of the head. The back itself is going to be something like that, and then the back of the feet is going to be something like that. So this is going to be the head sloping down, the ears will be up here someplace, the back don't have to be that aggressive, and the legs. So I'm going to get started and let's get going. Again, this one's for the back of the neck. Another part right here, which is going to bring it down. That's going to be the back of the neck, the back itself. There you go. That's what that'll look like. So you can see it looks like the back of the bear's head, the back, and then the back of the leg, you know? After we do that, we want to start off with the ear. Figure out where we want to put the ear. So, ear should probably be somewhere right in there. Just want to cut down a little bit. That's just going to notch that ear spot right there. Can you see that? Tilt it back a little. So that's just going to notch to the ear. Now, we have the notch in for the ears, which is located right up there. You can see that. What I usually like to do is start shaping the nose at this point. Now you can cross cut it here, deep in where it hits those ears. Just seems to be a lot of work. With smaller logs, you want to be careful. So I usually just start framing the nose right now. So you can see those lines. That's going to be the edge of the nose, and I'll show you that right here. Now we're going to come back through here and take off that top. And that's what it's going to look like. Now we're going to start framing in the ears a little bit. can see how we got the ears worked in there and the top of the head. The back's looking really good so far. Now we've got to start narrowing the nose down a little bit. And I'm going to do my best so you can see that. What we want to do is kind of slope the top of the head in a little bit, just to give it more of the arch at the top of the head. So we're going to do that right now. That's obviously going to be the start to the nose. What I like to do is angle in these here so you can see more of the face. Now we're going to put an arm in there. It's going to be holding the sign kind of like this, you know? Now we got to do our feet. We got to put our feet in there. Angle for that. Figuring out where we want to put our other arm. That's good enough. That out of there. See a little bit now. Well, this is just not looking right. Come back through that. And there we go. We got our logistics of a bear. I started off carving with the 025 16-inch bar, just standard bar and chain. Pretty easy stuff. But after I'm done with that, I kind of like to move on to my 020. Hold on, you're right back. Now, this is the carving bar, and if you ever take a lesson with me, a brand new saw, carving bar, new gear and chain will be included in your price to take a lesson. The reason why is this is a dime tip bar, they call it. You can tell it's real thin, real small, great for detail, a lot of control and no kickback. So I want to get started on shaping the nose, maybe boring out the ears a little bit. Remember, there's nothing square in nature, so there should be nothing square on the bear. So let me get going. What I'm going to do is probably round off this nose. You'll just follow with me. I really want to get on the back side of these ears and round them off. Ran out of gas. Anyway, keep working away out there. rounding out the back a little bit, making sure that we're good to go there. What I want to do is round these off as well. Any sharp curve you want to get rounded off. Okay, now what I want to do is put some back legs in there. Sometimes I like putting them in, sometimes I don't. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to put them in. Got legs in the back. Now we have to put some in the front. They're looking pretty good. Okay, now, this kind of gets a little bit into the elite of it, adding on hair. The hair is a pretty tricky part, and I'm not going to do a video on it right now because pretty soon I'll be doing YouTube videos, and I want you guys to subscribe. So you learn how to subscribe, and then you can figure out the hair. But also, I'll be teaching you a bunch of other things. So obviously I got the big bear there. I'll be teaching you how to put that hair pattern on in the nose. And then eagles, obviously. Got those too. So I'll be showing you how to do all that. This one I'm working on. Got some eaglets at the bottom. It'll look a lot different here very shortly. And we got all kinds of them. So anyway, keep an eye out for the Wicked Carver, Wicked Carving New Hampshire. And I want to be able to show you guys how to chainsaw carve because the world needs more artists. And you guys have a great day. Peace out.